In today's fast-paced business environment, effective communication is crucial. This is where VitalPBX's SMS integration feature comes in, which provides a new way to connect with your clients and enhance your business. With this powerful feature, you can now effortlessly incorporate SMS messaging into your VitalPBX system and Vixie, our browser-based cell phone solution. Whether you're a large enterprise, carrier, or call center, our SMS integration offers incredible benefits. Stay connected with your customers and team members through instant messages, creating seamless collaboration. Plus, with VitalPBX's user-friendly interface, managing your SMS communications is a breeze. Boost your productivity and streamline your workflows with VitalPBX's SMS integration today. Ready to take your communication to the next level? Discover the limitless possibilities of SMS integration with VitalPBX. Visit our website to get started today. VitalPBX, revolutionizing communication, one message at a time.